Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Pelvis Bresley.
Gotta do some housekeeping. We got a viewer mail segment. I've been not getting all these emails and messages from everybody asking, Jim, when are you going to finish your new hit song masterpiece, Compressor in Your Masterbus? Well, let's get an answer to that. I've actually been trying to add new elements to it, and I had a new idea that I wanted to share with you right about at this time. All right, here is Compressor in Your Masterbus with the backbeat. Let's get this set up here. And this is going to be an element that I have picked up from one of my other favorite masterpieces and most important movie ever made, which is Caddyshack. Check out this. There's going to be multi-tracked where they kind of harmonize in places, but there will be so many vocals coming and going that it's going to be kind of an interweaving thing. And this is I'm All Right, Kenny Loggins' Caddyshack. Composer, the fantastic Kenny Loggins. All rights reserved by the great one, K-Log. See the effect I'm talking about? Yeah. 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 Ah, working. Okay, let's go back to the Masterbus. That's going to be a nice section in this song. It's coming together. Well, I hope that cleared things up. I want to thank everybody for watching the program. And Compressing Your Masterbus is coming along. And it's going to be coming to you very soon. All right?